You have the birds and the music. Look at him looking at.
Oh.
Damn
Get
paparazzi.
used to it, kid. Exactly. Get used to it.
Look
He's
at
looking
him.
for you.
Yeah, you heard my voice. Yeah.
Sarah turned his head to look.
Hey, buddy boy. Hey, baby. Hi,
Sweet.
buddy. You having fun with your little ears? Oh, you looking at me for a bottle? Is that what you want? I'm your bottle feeder,
look at
right?
this one,
This is
this
my good
one.
boy. Little good boy. What do you got up here? What
I
do you
can
got
put him
up
on
here?
Facebook, right, Laura?
Yeah. Oh God, that's precious. Look at that. Let me get a picture too.
Oh, you good boy? It's a good boy.
He's like
How
that.
cute is that?
He's like that. Uncle Rob has apple shares of apple.
Has
Not. He has shares of apple.
Oh. No way, run away. Oh my God. Oh, sorry, baby. No more.
Oh, wow, he's up.
Look at that. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Hey, buddy.
Is he looking at you, Dom?
No, he's looking over here. I think he likes the orange. He likes that orange color, huh?
He's a good baby, that's why.
So, Dad, you're going to lose a few.
Aunt Donna, you gotta definitely lose a few.
Uh-oh. This one's not going to sleep.
At night.
Oh, he's going
You see
down.
them getting heavy?
Oh, there he goes.
Barbara,
What?
Bye,
here we
He's
go.
going to sleep, Tommy.
Bye, Colton.
Night, night.
Night tonight.
Rabbit.
Aww. How cute
Bye,
is that?
buddy.
Don't make me laugh. My scissors will pop. Oh, he's getting sleepy.
Hi, buddy.
Little baby.
Go CB. Go CB. Go night, night. Go night, night.
He's going to sleep you up.
Go night, night, Colton.
No, stay awake.
But
I love the way he looks at the
Santa's
mobiles.
coming.
Go night.
Santa's coming. I'm gonna tell you about the Easter Bunny and the Tooth Fairy.
No, don't.